Hi, welcome to another episode of Cooking with OB. Today we're going to try our hand at cooking some banana bread. So let's go see how it turns out. As always, the first thing we do before we start any kind of cooking is give our hand a wash. So first thing we're going to do is preheat our oven to 162 degrees and also butter our lid pan. So get some butter on some baking paper and just spread that around the inside, to prevent anything from sticking later on. So what you'll need for today's recipe is a cup of granulated sugar, 1 stick of butter, that's the equivalent of 8 tablespoons, 2 eggs, 3 bananas, that can be a little overripe, that works really well for today's recipe, a tablespoon of milk, 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Right, so the first lot of ingredients we need are our 1 cup of sugar, that goes in the bowl, and our 8 teaspoons or 1 stick of butter, that goes in there as well. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to mix them together or cream them until they're light and fluffy. Top tip as you're mixing is that you push down on the sugar and butter with the back of the spoon. This really gets them to mix in nice and well and combine together. Once our mixture is light and fluffy, you're going to add in the eggs one at a time and beat them into. Cool, so we finished up with the first stage. We've set that to one side. Now what we're going to do is combine our bananas, milk and cinnamon into one bowl to make another mixture there as well. So we have our bananas. Pow! 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 And what we're going to do then first is just mush them up with a fork. So we get this mashed bananas in a bowl. Once they're nicely mashed, I'm going to add in our tablespoon of milk and mix that in as well. And finally we'll add in our teaspoon of cinnamon and mix that last bit all together to have this delicious banana-y cinnamon mix. Like so. So now for the final set of ingredients, we're going to take yet another bowl and add the last lot in. So we take our flour, we take a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of salt. And we give that a good mix. Once we've got our 3 sets of ingredients mixed, it's time to start adding them together. So we're going to take our banana mix and put it in with our cream mix. Get that in there. Give it a stir. And then we take our cream and banana mixture and add that to our flour mixture. And we're just going to mix that in until all the flour disappears. And then we're left with this lovely creamy dough-like mixture. Okay, next we add our mixture into the buttered loaf tin that we prepared earlier. Make sure we get all of that in, sits in there nicely. Now it's time to put this in the oven for an hour to an hour and 10 minutes until golden brown. So once it's been in for hour and 10 minutes, we can take it out of the oven and test to see if it's ready or not. Simple way to test is to take a knife and pop it in the middle. If it comes out clean, then we're good. That just needs to sit for 15 minutes to cool, and then we'll take it out of the tin and let it cool for a bit longer. So once it's cooled for 15 minutes in the tin, just tip it out onto a board or rack and let it cool again for a further 15 to 20 minutes. So our first attempt turned out pretty well. I'm going to enjoy this now with a little bit of butter. But let us know in the comments below what you like on your banana bread. Until next time, stay safe and ma salama.